Welcome back to the worst trader of the whole crypto scene. It's me. I am long with $1.2 million on FED and all in all with $2 million in the whole long positions. I will show you exactly all the positions. For example, PEPE I increased also $365,000. Right now, $2,300 in profits. My FED position is right now 20k in a loss, and other positions are also in the loss. So this will be crazy. I couldn't sleep yesterday and I decided let's go with $2 million long. That's crazy. I will speak exactly about everything, and what is the most important thing is to watch what is doing Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin is dumping, if Bitcoin is going down the shithole, I will lose all the money. So it's getting so dangerous. And yesterday we had 70 million sold by BlackRock. What is so crazy? I mean, all in all, we had the net flow of 621 million by the Bitcoin ETFs. But why did BlackRock sell? I couldn't understand, because they had yesterday $1 billion in trading volume, but still in total they sold 70 million. I cannot understand. If someone can explain me this, please tell me, and I will show you exactly every trade which I did, and I need really your opinion on this, because I know I have some really good traders, and please tell me, what is your forecast? Will my trades work out or not? Because $2 million, it's huge. It's really massive for me. So let's check out first what is Bitcoin doing, and please tell me also your opinion. What do you think? What is Bitcoin doing? Am I on the right path or not? So we see we broke out of the bull flag, and we closed also the daily yesterday above this bull flag and above our all-time high. This was very important in my opinion. Where I have the pen here, bro? Where's the pen? I don't see the pen. Anyways, so we closed here above our all-time high yesterday, which is so important in my opinion. And I told you this gray area is, in my opinion, where we could close a daily candle, but we shouldn't close below this gray area, because this is exactly the all-time high area. And if we're closing below, it means we will go down to 54k, 48k, or even lower, which the worst case scenario, which we spoke a few videos ago, I think 3 videos ago, you can watch Horrific Crash, it called the video. So this is the worst case scenario. So I hope we will never close a daily candle below. Right now it looks amazing. We create new all-time high. We created the clear daily candle above the all-time high, so it looks beautiful right now. And also the heat map, if we're watching the liquidity, because we are doing SMC trading, smart money trading, we see we could go, they could liquidate down in the worst case to 60k, 70k, which would be totally fine, because 70k we would be here in the gray area, and it would be probably only a week down below. The second chunk is a little bit more dangerous, because it goes from 69k down to 65k. Still would be fine, because we would stay still in this gray area, so it would be still fine, but lower would be dangerous. So the question is, will Bitcoin or will the market maker chase the liquidity, the first chunk of liquidity which goes down to 70k, and the second one which goes down to 65k, or will they chase the liquidity which is above, which are all the retards which are shorting here Bitcoin, where the liquidity goes up to 78k? I don't know. Nobody knows. The stock market will open in a few hours in the US. Then we will see some volume coming in. Will it be selling or buying volume? This is what's interesting. But what is much more important is that we are close to total crypto market cap out. We broke out of this bull flag, and finally we closed a clear daily candle above. So what we could see is we could retest once this bull flag and then see a pump. If we retest, then we see obviously a massive dump in the market, or at least in Bitcoin. And I speak also right now, I mean, I'm a little bit retarded that I went with so much money into altcoins, not into Bitcoin, not even into Ethereum, not even into Solana, like all of your favorite crypto YouTubers did, but on meme coins. This is so stupid, bro. But there's a reason for it, because I saw that we are the altcoin season is beginning. I show you exactly in this video why I'm thinking that the altcoin season is starting right now. So probably what we could see here, wait a minute here. Probably we could see here a retest of this bull flag, but the total market cap, the decline of total market cap would be only in Bitcoin, not in the whole altcoins. I explain you exactly what I mean by this, but this indicator that we closed yesterday, daily candle, clearly on the total crypto market cap out of this bull flag is for me a clear indicator that we are in a bull run, officially in a bull run. The bull run officially started. And if we are watching the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin, then we see that we as well broke out. Wait, it's right now. Here we see we broke clearly as well out of this bull flag on the weekly. It's still 3 days to go, but I want to see this weekly candle closing in 3 days above this bull flag, because this is the market cap, the total market cap excluding Bitcoin. Oh my God, this is so bullish. This is crazy, you see? But now we're speaking why I jumped in all this altcoin position, because here we have the Bitcoin dominance chart. And you see, I showed you yesterday already, we had here this rising wedge. And as soon as we broke down... What the fuck? This is alarm. There's some fire here was indicated. What the fuck? Should I run out right now? What the fuck? From this building. I'm making a video right now, recording a video. So anyways, we're speaking, this is much more important right now. So we broke down the Bitcoin dominance chart, broke down the last time 2021, this rising wedge, which is a bearish pattern for the Bitcoin dominance. So it means the money moved into altcoins. And right now, look at this massive rising wedge. That's crazy. As soon as we break it down, it will be the biggest altcoin season which we ever could imagine, bro. Just imagine we will have no altcoin season and Bitcoin, I don't know what happened, but Bitcoin go to 20k. Just imagine. I will just cry in this. I'll be honest with you. All my money is in crypto right now, and 50% of my net worth in long positions. Fuck. Okay, but right now let's stay positive, because as it seems right now, this one is crazy, and it already begun. Because let's zoom in, and then we see exactly that this, look, today's daily candle, Bitcoin dominance is breaking down from the 60k, 60%. It's dropping like hell. And the crazy thing about this, we see indeed that Bitcoin is dropping to 70k from 76k, but altcoins are pumping. Altcoins pumping like, look at the market. Altcoins are pumping like crazy. You see the whole market, altcoins pumping like crazy. So in my opinion, it's exactly working out. And what is important as well to watch is the S&P 500. The S&P 500 created yesterday a new all-time high, but it's important for us that we breaking above this resistance line, exactly above this white resistance line, which was a previous huge support. Because the danger is, in case it was only retest and we breaking down the S&P 500's leading indicator for Bitcoin, if the stock market goes down this hole, then Feierabend, we say in Germany, Feierabend, that it's like, it's the end, because Bitcoin will dump like crazy. But the nice thing is we can show in the pre-market, and in the pre-market we are at 5,966, as you see it here. In the S&P 500 futures, we had 5,966. So it's exactly above, it's exactly here. It's exactly above this resistance line. You see? It's exactly above. So in case, so we will open the S&P 500. Imagine in which crazy bull market we are, bro. We are creating every day new all-time high in the stock market. That's crazy. Then the stock market is the leading indicator for Bitcoin. So today we should open again the S&P 500 to the new all-time high and above our resistance line. And we should close also this daily candle above this resistance line. This is also why I am the retard opened all these long positions. Let's check out on the open interest. Not the open interest, where's the most of the volume? The most of the volume is here at 69K. You see, here's where we're getting a big support. And as we are getting here big support, it means, yes?
Hello.
Yes, coming. 1 second, I'm long black. We have no time. I have to drink this later. We have no time. Okay, so you see, it indicates that we could see Bitcoin easily go down here to retest. Why this microphone is moving, bro? Why this microphone is moving? Suka black. I hate this technical stuff. Okay, so we could go down to 69K easily because there's the volume count, but we have a lot of support which is going down to 56K. So we could here end up at 68, 69K, maybe even 65K. And 65K is interesting because at 65K we have a lot of volume coming in. Where is this? We have a lot of, not here, wait, here. We have a lot of volume at 65, not volume, a lot of liquidity at 65K. So this is interesting. We have volume and a lot of liquidity. So the worst case, as it seems right now, is 65K. 65K or maybe weak down to 60K, but not more. But the good news is, as I showed you the Bitcoin dominance chart, even if Bitcoin would dump as low as this, as low as 65 or 60K, we still should see a pump in the altcoins because the Bitcoin dominance would go down and the money is going into the altcoins. So this looks nice. And we see here, the shorts are getting liquidated like crazy. Last 24 hours, 230 million shorts got liquidated. So it's time to liquidate the longs and it's time right now. So we see Bitcoin is dumping. So we could see here dump easily to 65K. Again, this alarm, what the fuck? Easily to 65K, but it's okay. Because as it seems, altcoin will still pump. We see here the Binance futures also, and we see here the open interest. And the open interest on the 15 minutes, we see the open interest is declining and the price is declining. This could be due to the US market, which the Americans right now sleeping, or this could be because we are losing momentum right now and we see here this dump to 72K, 70K area or lower, the price tag which we discussed seconds ago. But on the big picture, on the 4 hourly, it still looks amazing. The open interest going up, the price is going up. So the people are interested in trading Bitcoin. This is nice. So here we have another liquidity heat map and we see here, okay, we spoke about it. We don't have to speak about it again. Here we see again this bull flag, which everyone showing you on crypto YouTube. We had a perfect retest and now we are breaking to the upside. So probably worst case, I don't know, we have something in the Middle East, some problems or some other political stuff, and we could see here wick down to 65K. And don't forget, we have I told you already, right? We have 9 hours. In 9 hours, we have exactly 9 hours the Fed meeting, and the probability that they will cut the rates. I think I told you, and this is so bullish for Bitcoin. This is so bullish. Historically, the first rate cuts have been dangerous. Bro, what the fuck? The first rate cuts have been dangerous, but right now we have several rate cuts, so it shouldn't be any big problem. Probably is some kid who put his cookies on fire or some shit. Okay, I have no time. I have to concentrate on this. Okay, now let's speak here about Fed, because Fed, I am Fed all in all with $1.2 million long, as you see it here. $1.2 million long on $1.2 million long with $23,000 in a loss. You see here exactly where I bought Fed. Wait a minute, I show you here exactly where I bought, and I mean, it's $1.2 million. It's probably the biggest AI position on whole crypto YouTube. I don't know anybody who has $1.2 million on an AI project who's going long, because you have to be retarded. It's so dangerous, but the risk is, there's a lot of risk, but imagine we are going to $5. If we're going to $5, I make like something like 5 million or something like that. Here I bought exactly, you see, my price is here at $1.41, and we are right now at $1.38. So I'm right now only it's only 6%. You see, 6%. I'm down, but it's already 24K. So anyways, let's speak about Fed. So Fed broke. Why I go long on Fed? Because Fed broke out of this huge falling wedge, and this falling wedge is a bullish pattern. The price target is the top of the wedge, which is the top of the wedge. Wait a minute, I have to again position there so you see. So the top of the wedge is the price target, which is at $1.74. And now it's getting so interesting, because I made yesterday in the night at 3 o'clock. I just look, it was like this. I slept, then the thoughts came in my mind. You have to go long. You have to sell half of your spot position and go 2x on Fed. Trust me, bro. I don't know which voice this was in my mind, but I went long on Aptos, Fed, ORDI. I show you everything in a second. So you see here, and today I did the technical analysis, and I mean I made also in the night, but today really deeply, and we broke out. So we could retest here $1.27. The price target is $1.76. So worst case $1.27. We shouldn't break inside. This would be very dangerous, and this is the moment when I have to sell again my spot position and add margin to my position. But probably what I would do if we are touching $1.27, probably I would even increase my $1.2 million Fed position. Probably I would even increase this position. But let's see here right now, where's the liquidity? So the liquidity goes down to $1.30, the biggest liquidity. So we could see in the immediate short term dump to $1.30. $1.30 is exactly where we see the Fibonacci 0618 at $1.33. You see here exactly at $1.33. So worst case should be $1.25, something like this, $1.23. But technically we should bounce at $1.33, also because the most of liquidity ends at $1.30. So we could see here bounce, and then with the next price target could be Fibonacci 05 at $1.74, and this is exactly in alignment with the falling wedge, which is the price target at the top of the wedge, $1.75, and it's in perfect alignment with this white resistance line. You see we have here perfect cross at $1.75. So right now the price target is here $1.74, approximately $1.75, let's say $1.70, which is 25% on my trade. This would make me profits of around, let me check, where's this? Here. If I would take profits, why it's not working? Maybe here. Okay, wait a minute. Something is with my computer. Here. What? Here at $1.75. Oh, I'm so nervous, bro. I'm so anxious that I by accident put any button and I will close and lost this position. $1.75, so I would make $300,000 profits. Can you imagine, bro? This is crazy. If I would let my spot position, which is actually only $400,000, then it would be 80K profit. But this is right now as it's on 3x, so it's $1.2 million. It's $300,000. So basically, I would make $300,000 minus $80,000, $220,000 more profits. But the risk is also that I get liquidated, but hopefully not. Pray for me, bro, please. We see here we have also the most of the liquidity is lying here, this 170 area, you see. So everything speaks for it that we will see here massive pump in the market. And Fed, you can only long, you cannot long it on ByBit, you can long it only on Bitget. So if you want to support me here, bro, you can just click the link down below on Bitget if you want to enter a long position, but only for the professionals, because otherwise you will lose your money. So, okay, let's speak about my next position. And the next position is, and it's getting so interesting, bro. It's getting more and more interesting, is Aptos. Why I went long on Aptos? We have here Aptos. Aptos, I went long, and Aptos actually the only position which is in profits right now. Aptos is right now $6,000 in profits. I was yesterday already like 10, 15K in profits. $6,000 in profits, and the position size is $230,000. I also sold here, my spot position went 2x. To why I went on long on Aptos, we see here the first price tag, which is $13, but my price target is here for Aptos in the immediate short term, bro. In the immediate, wait a minute, if I get to position, you see here with Fibonacci 0618 is $13, so this is the first price target. Next price tag would be $30. And why $30? I explain you right now exactly. I mean, worst case, we should see dump here to $5. This would even not $5, $7, but worst case would be here we could dump $5. I don't think we will dump below $5. My liquidation price here at $4.70. But why I went long? Because Aptos is following usually the pattern of SUI, and now it's getting so interesting. Here we have Aptos. This is the chart of Aptos. Now I will add SUI, and you see exactly what I'm talking about. This is so interesting. Look at this, bro. This is so interesting. You see here, wait a minute, I have to put it so you see it better. Okay. You see, I have to position it like this so you see it better. Okay. You see, SUI is the pink line, and here we have Aptos. And usually we see, wait a minute. Move a little bit like this. Yeah, you see, usually we have first a pump of SUI, and after, with a little delay of several days or weeks, following Aptos exactly by the same percentage at pumping. Here we have right now Aptos is lagging behind SUI. We have exactly the same pattern repeating. We have SUI pumping, but Aptos is lagging. And we should see here Aptos pump another, wait a minute, where was it? Here. We should see Aptos pump another 200%, because SUI pumped 225%, but Aptos only 27%. So we should see pump of Aptos of 200% approximately. And 200%, what a surprise, 200% is exactly the Fibonacci 1.68. You see, exactly. Look at this, 200%, you see, it's exactly 220%, 1618, $31. So it's approximately $30. Bro, if this everything will play out, this will be crazy. Okay, then the next one where I went long is ordinals. We speak about ordinals since the ordinals were created, it was last year, and my ORDI position, I sold also my spot ORDI position and went long on ORDI. Also, I went 3x even, oh my god. $100,000 it was margin, but right now the position size is $340,000. I am $3,000 in a loss. With 6% right now, it's dumped my liquidation price at $24. And why I went long on ORDI, it's also so interesting. That's crazy. So ORDI is like a meme coin on Bitcoin, on BRC20, on Bitcoin itself. And I think this whole Bitcoin Bitcoin BRC20 meme hype will come back, and ORDI is the original meme coin on Bitcoin. And in my opinion, we bottomed out here, and I don't think that we will break here below $26 back again. Hopefully not. It will be very dangerous. In case we're breaking below $29, I have to add margin, or otherwise there's danger that I get liquidated. But what's interesting, if you put Bitcoin over ORDI here, then you see exactly that, wait a minute, here. Then you see a similar pattern like with Sui and Aptos. Usually, here, wait a minute, I have to position it right so you see it exactly. Wait a minute, where was it? Yeah, usually we see here, wait a minute, I have to move here. Usually we see here Bitcoin pumping, and afterwards, wait a minute, where was it? I have to position it right with this shit. I don't know myself how to position this right. But I saw it exactly. Wait a minute. It's not so easy. Yeah, but usually you see if Bitcoin is pumping, ORDI is following. You see, usually first Bitcoin is pumping, then ORDI is following. You see it here. Wait, when I move it, you see Bitcoin is pumping, ORDI is following. You see right now, you see also here, sometimes they're pumping even together, but right now we see Bitcoin went crazy on a crazy pump, but ORDI went down. So in my opinion, it's highly oversold, so it's undervalued. In my opinion, we could see massive pump. You see, while Bitcoin went plus 70%, ORDI went minus 40%. So in my opinion, ORDI could make it up to Bitcoin here 50% easily, as the market cap also is very low, and 50% it would be, we would see here price of $50, and the big price target, or the first of second price target, is $64 with 84%. So ORDI is a little bit more dangerous, but still I went long on ORDI. And then we have here my PEPE position and my GME position. And my PEPE position is a so long video, bro. I hope you appreciate it and hit the like button that I share here everything with you, because this is so long. Then we have here PEPE. PEPE, I'm long with 365k. I increased my position. I bought here, you see, yesterday. So amazing. I'm in profits right now, exactly right now in this video. You see profits loss. But we have here $365,000, and we have here another position which is also increased, which is 65k. So I'm all over $420,000, so nearly $500,000 long on PEPE, because PEPE I'm expecting here also to explode. We see also here massive reversal to the upside on PEPE. We saw also here on every chart frame, on every time frame, we see green dot appearing, golden cross on the daily. If we are watching on the 12 hourly, we have also here golden cross, green dot appeared. If we are watching here on the 4 hourly, we had the same. We are slightly overbought right now, but this is okay. We are cooling down right now, so we're cooling down a little bit. We could see cool down even a little bit lower, but you never know, because meme coins usually exploding like crazy. On the 15-minute, we have again a golden cross, green dot. So we could see here a massive pump to the upside, but we have here also some liquidity down below at 0. So there's a little danger that we could see some dump to 0.9. You see here, wait a minute. You see here at 0.97 and here at 0.9. We could see a little bit cool down to these levels, but in the big picture, I'm expecting here to explode higher than 122, because we have here, you see, they grabbed already here the liquidity, but it goes even more, it goes even higher. And you don't see, if you watch my videos in the past few days, we have here at 1.3 even more liquidity, and this 1.314, the channel is exactly ending. In case we are breaking inside of this channel, then we see here the channel, the big resistance is at 1.4. So as soon as we're breaking inside the channel, so as soon as we're breaking the first resistance of this channel at 1.08, and we already retested it, I'm expecting here, you see we have also some reversal, but I'm expecting here with the next pump, I'm expecting here breakthrough, especially, bro, we have new moon, full moon. We are heading to full moon in 8 days. Usually we see pump before this. You see new moon dump, full moon pump, new moon dump, full moon pump, new moon dump, and usually we see several days before new moon the pump starting. You see it here, yeah. You see it, yeah. You see it here before, a few days before, in new moon, we see already a pump happening. So we are right now 8 days before full moon, and I'm expecting here a massive pump happening. I'm expecting here crazy pump to happen, bro. Please tell me your opinion on this. You don't have to agree with me. I need from very good traders who are hopefully trading through my affiliate link to support my channel, to tell me if they the same opinion or if they have another opinion, because this is really helping me. With some of you I'm even texting because I'm interested what's your opinion if I see very good traders. So expecting you to break and retest this channel 1.4 approximately, where we get then rejected in the new moon. But I mean, we are in the bull market. We could even break through this resistance line and go even higher to our all-time high, which is here at 1.7. So if everything works fine right now, we shouldn't see this low at 0.7 again. This is also why I increased my positions. Then we have another coin, and this is GME, where I'm long right now. I increased also here the position. It's not so big compared to the other ones, $33,000, where I'm $8,000 in a loss, but I'm expecting GME to explode like crazy, because GME, you know, it's like this legendary GameStop stock coin, but this is like on Solana, the coin. And in case they're not rug pulling this project, this chart looks like it bottomed completely out. You see, this is what you also usually see. You see, wait a minute, where is it? You see here usually consolidation. You see a breakout, blow off top, then it's dumping, consolidation, and the pump starting usually again after several months. And I'm expecting here, I mean, look, if we are going to the previous top, it's over 680%. All it needs is one tweet of Roaring Kitty, which is the initial like hype, who brought the hype to GameStop. Or if there's something with the GameStop company, some positive news. But I'm expecting this one. This is a legendary, where there's a big community behind it, behind the stock company, like how it's called. Anyways, but GME on Solana could rise like crazy, and this could happen within a day, where we see some pumps of 400-500%. Especially this coin is like 70 million market cap or something like that, like really nothing market cap for a meme coin. So this is why I'm long on GME. Another thing, if you want, you can also use a Weex for your trading. They offer right now $20,000 bonus. Around $330, very easy to get. I also get them. You need to just do KYC and have a little bit of futures volume. But if you anyways a trader, you can make a registration, put your coins, transfer here, trade a little bit, and get this bonus. So check it out. Also link down below. Bratan, just for you to know, ByBit, Bitget, and Weex are the top 5 derivatives exchanges where you trade futures. So it's legit exchanges. Check it out, bratan. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you, and I see you later, and will update you on these videos. Thank you everyone for liking this video, bratan, and sharing. Mwah.